Right, so this is compressed coconut soil, and you can get this in a pound store if you've got one near you. You can see there's 10 litres of soil here, it's all compact. The great thing about this is it's really sterile, so it hasn't got any bugs in it. But the thing I like the most about it is that when you're out shopping and you want to buy, say, some soil but you don't want to carry it, you can just carry one of these or two of these and put it in your bag, and it doesn't weigh anything, and then it will expand with water. And I'm going to show you me adding some water to it right now. So I've got my tray ready to put the water in and the compressed cocoa soil. Add water, so it says to add 4 litres of water, and that will make me 10 litres of soil. And there you can see it comes in like a nice compressed block, nice and lightweight. So now I'm just going to add the water. So there it is, all the water's been absorbed pretty much, and we've got plenty of soil now. This tray is full of soil just from that small bag. So yeah, an ideal way to buy compost small and then expand it with water at home. Also really great for seedlings. As I say, it's very sterile and it's nice and soft for the roots to develop. See that you could add some sand to this if you wanted to increase the drainage. If you found this video useful, please like and also consider subscribing, and drop a comment below as well if you've got any tips on soil that you use and fertilisers and things like that. So until next time, see you later.